So what our role as a product design really is, we focus on two primary areas. First one is user interface and second one is the user experience. So user interface is something that you see on your device, right? For example, currently I hope if you have just Google Meet opened on your screen, you will find the Chrome has some sort of back button and the forward button, then you have a reload button and a home button. So there would have been some person who actually designed these icons. And in fact, this whole interface, like we have a tiny lock icon on the left and then meet.google.com has been written. So there are people who just designed this thing with the tools like one of the most popular tool these days is Figma. Another one is XD. So these are the primary tools that we, the designer, use to design. And this is all about the interface. And the second category is the experience designers. So experience designers are the people who design the flow. Like for example, if a user click on this particular thing, so what exactly will happen next? So those are the user experience designers. And it may sound simple, but it is actually very critical. And in country like India, UI UX design is among one of the top three booming in demand skill from the IT industry and even non IT industry as well. In fact, people like McDonald's, Domino's are hiring UX UI designers to run their applications at their end so that they really don't need to outsource them from some firms. So in a nutshell, this is the thing, like what exactly product design is.